Hello everyone! Colorful dynamic custom data labels can focus the attention of the user on the key messages in the chart. If I change the slicer selection, the comments change as well. In this video, I would like to show you an easy method how to make such labels. Let's see how this is done. My data range shows the sales of some product over time. Let's convert the data range to a table by clicking it and pressing Ctrl and T together. Change the design. This step is necessary for the formulas and the chart to update themselves when new data is added to the table, and to add a slicer. Let's add the slicer. I will choose quarter for filtering the data. Add a line chart. Change its color and style. Remove the grid lines. And change the position of the slicer. To add dynamic custom labels to the chart, I will need two helper columns for maximum and minimum values. I will type a formula using the aggregate function because aggregate can ignore hidden rows. So if sales value is equal to the maximum value of the sales given back by aggregate, number 4, with option 5 to ignore hidden rows, let's specify the range. Then I need the text, most sales, else nothing. Select the series in the chart, add data labels, and under Format Data Labels, select Value from Cells. Now specify the range where the formula is, and the dynamic custom data label is in the chart. I also would like to add the date of the sales, the amount with the currency, and a line separator. To do this, I will first change the text to most sales on, space, and concatenate it with the rest of the information. So the text will be joined with car 10. The function car with the number 10 results in a line separator. And now I will add the date. But the problem is that only the serial number gets displayed. To correct this, I will need the function text. And I'll have to specify the formatting in quotation marks of the form day, month, year, close quotation marks. And now the date is displayed correctly. I will also need a comma. And now I will add the amount, again using the function text. The text function will allow me to specify the formatting for the sales. Again in quotation marks, 0.0, which means 1 decimal point, comma, meaning the rounding to the nearest thousand. And now I would like to use a non-standard text, so I will have to put it in square brackets with a $sign, 1,000 euros. So again, close brackets and quotation marks. The sales are displayed in 1,000 euros, but I would like to have the euro sign. And here's a hack. Double-click on the data label, and under the Format Data Labels pane, under Number, there are patterns for custom formatting. Let's choose Currency and look for euro. And copy everything inside the brackets, starting from the euro sign. And add it to the formula. And now we have an euro sign. Let's copy the formula and adapt it for the minimum value. So this is going to be aggregate number 5 and least sales. For colorful data labels, I will just copy the series and paste them right on top. Color this data label green. Select the series. And under Select Data, now I have 2 series. So leave just one, this is the new one. Add data labels. And again, assign value from cells to the labels. Let's color the label red. And bring back the other series. And bring back the title. Let's make the chart look nicer. And test. If I change the slicer selection, the comments change. They are dynamic. And if I add additional data, it gets added to the chart with a dynamic custom data label. Please like and subscribe for more contents like this.